Financial transparency these days is very challenging considering the different things that are happening in the world where there is abuse, corruption, and neglect of the poor and those on the peripheries. I am John Vidal Aguas and I'm a business manager of St. Casimir's Church, Los Angeles, a church built by Lithuanian refugees during the Soviet occupation. The Archdiocese is composed of diverse cultures and nationalities. I've been doing volunteer work for the church for 16 years. As a layman, I am able to connect my technical skills and educational background in accordance to church policies and teachings. I am able to pick up in this course here in Rome that the role of the laity in the church ministry and church management, they offer a more constructive approach in the participation of the laity in order to have an accountable, transparent, and evaluated practice of their ministry and church management. So the course gives you a more positive approach on how to give a good image through your volunteer work or participation in the church management to restore the respect and to present to the people the integrity of the Catholic Church.